Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another video. We're up to track 7, I believe, 7, which is Pendulum, a track that Pearl Jam open with quite often. It's not a particular favourite of mine, but as with all these, after you've played it, it's actually quite fun to noodle along with. So let's just get cracking with the chords. This won't take long. There isn't much to this. There's only about 4 or 5 chords in it. And there's some little noodly bits as well, so we'll cover all that. But this obviously starts off with some keys. And they're just playing an A minor chord for 2 bars, and then an F major chord, or however you like to play that, for 2 bars each. And the keyboard line you can play if you like, it's something like this. Etc. Put a load of delay on there and you're good. I think Michael Stone does play with a load of reverb and delay. There is a fair bit of reverb on here, so which you can hopefully hear. Now the guitar part just plays. Those 2 chords are the main bulk of the tune, but there are a few more. So you'll also hear which is D minor, F to A minor. Second time round though, it's D minor, C, A minor. And then you're back into the verse again. So that's it. So verse. And then there's this kind of turnaround phrase, which is then you'll hear these noodly guitar parts, so all that stuff, okay? And you're just banking your first finger on the 5th fret, so that is the G, B and E. And you do quite a slow rake. So a rake is where you just move your pick down across the strings, okay? So you're not alternate picking. Can do if you want, but that's not the way that Stone will be playing it. It's just a very lazy, slow and pronounced strum, so. Okay, so the first phrase goes like this. Okay, so that's it basically. Very slowly, 5th fret with the top 3 strings with a very slow rake. You come in on the 6 and, so count 6 and then you do another rake, but you put your little finger on the 8th fret, which is 8, 7, 5 on the E string, and then you're going to play the 5th fret on the B string as well, okay, so then that again, but you hold on the 7th fret for a little bit longer before you go to the 5th fret on the E. And then on the, I think it's the 4th beat, you play. And there's a bit of trem in there as well, so it'll detune a little bit. So basically you've got your first 2 fingers on the 5th fret on the G and B. And you're just going to slide your first finger down 1 fret. At least I think that's how he plays it. And then there's a very lazy slide from the 4th fret to the 2nd fret, okay? Now the last bit of the phrase comes in on the 2 and, okay? And it's just a little run which goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, very straightforward, just a little rundown. And I think it's just a descending A minor run. Okay, those are all A minor chords. Okay, straightforward stuff. Now, over the... There are some other little noodly bits which come in on the second beat. So you're going to play 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so that's what plays over the... The first time round. The second time round, you stay on the 10 and the 8. And it goes to the 7th fret there, so it's... Okay, so slowly around those. 5th fret, 2, 3, 4, 1. The next phrase is 5, 7. Third phrase is 10, 8. Okay, 10 on the B, 8 on the E. Then the second time round over the D, C, and you hold that. So that last phrase, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's it. I think that gets repeated later on. And also there's a part where you get the acoustic coming in with the... etc. Just basically playing the same chord, so nothing new there. And that's it. That's Pendulum. Hope you enjoyed it. More coming soon. Cheers, bye-bye.